So, last time we talked about it, but we couldn't help it but talk about it again because it looked like this brother here named Asta Black, they're on a campaign for discredit Rasta.
I saw Ras Asta Black this morning on TV. The man was eloquent, clear, explicit, elegant, with knowledge and wisdom. I was very proud. Very, very proud. Keep it going. They're going to learn to see your word come to pass.
Who him claims and no vote for him. Yes, he might discredit Rasta. This is an idiot, brother. No, you know. I want to tell the people them where I go on, you know. There's a picture on social media where have Mark Golding. And by the way, we hear say a whole heap of the members them in the People's National Party. I said them no want a white man to govern them party. That is where them I say them no want a white man to govern them party. That is where it reach. So we are telling you about this incident, you know, because that's a serious thing. That's a serious thing. There's a picture that there's no doubt in my mind that is some little People's National Party people put this picture out there. This picture of Mark Golding, Bunny Wheeler, two other Rasta, I can't remember the two Rasta them name, you know. Two other Rasta and the sister there, I saw call her name, but this picture was taken about 5 years ago. About 2015, when the argument about the ganja legislation supposed to go on, and Mark Golding was the main person in trying to get it decriminalized, and also to make Rastafari have a certain leeway. And we know say the arguments was continuing and the negotiations were continuing. Well, apparently, which is what the picture is showing, the Rastafari bridging them stand up beside Mark Golding 5 years ago. Now, I have no doubt in my mind that since Mark Golding win the election for the People's National Party, some little unscrupulous people decide that they're going to put out this picture out there for sure say the Rastafari brethren them validate Mark Golding leadership. You hear what I say? Them put the picture there. Them put the picture there to make the people them believe say after Mark Golding win the election in our party, the Rasta them a cheer him on now and I take picture with him for show him say yes, we really validate you as the leader. This picture was taken 5 years ago. No, that is not the big part of the argument. The big part of the argument is this now. This brother, we name Asta Black, where I try validate himself everywhere. Everywhere a little election I go and him try itch up himself to win election. Till the last thing him do now, him claim say him is a member of the Jamaica Labour Party. When him decides him going to be a member of the Jamaica Labour Party and I try get into it, they refuse him. The Jamaica Labour Party refuse him. So him start to leak against the Jamaica Labour Party now, but him still out there say him like the Holy One, holiness. Him love holiness, so him go and deal with holiness.
Jamaica is on the right road and the choice is clear, you know. We can't afford a standstill, that's to make the economy grow.
No, this picture, the brother, when name Asta Black, take the picture. I tell you, say, him worse than the politician them to me. Asta Black You're terrible, man. You're dangerous. Asta Black, take the picture and put the British, the English anthem under the picture. Him overdub the picture. Him overdub the rule. Long live Queen Elizabeth over the picture and send it back out there and say it wouldn't be bad if him just do that, you know. But after me call him about it, he might tell me, say, look here, Mark Golding represent the Queen and Rasta never want to vote for him, but them now go vote for them aside with Mark Golding who represent the Queen. Therefore Rasta represent the Queen. Me ask Asta Black, say, Asta Black, when the picture did it take? Him said the picture there on the internet. Me said that's serious thing. That's serious thing. There's a picture that there's no doubt in my mind that is some little People's National Party people put this picture out there. Brethren, don't make them people there. Make you go on like you're idiot, you know, which obviously you is. The people them trick Asta Black by putting out a picture with 5 years ago, and him thinks it's the other day, to the point now where him start to leak against Rasta. Alright, what me I say is that obviously Asta Black did believe in her mind, say this picture was taken during the election of Mark Golding to the presidency of the People's National Party. So him use the picture now, overdub the England anthem on it, and then now put it out there and spread it all over the place with all them logo upon the picture to tell the people them say, see there, Rasta I defend the Queen, even though them they are fight against the Queen. Asta Black, he's a dangerous man. Me I tell you that. And not only dangerous, but he's a lying. You lie more than the politician them. But as a matter of fact, you is a politician. You go to the school of the GLP and the PNP. Because now me hear you say you're against GLP and PNP. And you're afraid to say you're not take up for holy one. But you know I say you're not take up for holiness because you never get elected in a them GLP group. Because that is where you did want. And anyway, the election space there, you run, go there, become one, become Rasta representative. You can't represent I don't know if you're next Rasta, but you, Asta Black, cannot represent I, Mutabaruka Yaso. Because you prove yourself to be a devious fellow at the lowest level. As so much years may I defend you. Yeah, this is Mutabaruka here, saying that when that's the idea of the North Coast Highway from Montego Bay to Ocho Rios to be renamed the Reggae Highway, I give thanks. We give you much time for radio for talk, where you talk. You know, we know you're from Chicago, come right down till me live in a Montego Bay and them thing there. I may always support you. To support you in your things, in your endeavors. And now me hear you leak against Rasta about Rasta now support you and them go support the Queen representative. When the Queen representative, where you talk about now, the picture with Bono Wheeler and the Rasta them unite was taken years ago because of the coke, because of the ganja licensing and the decriminalization of the herbs. It come like say, me don't know, away in your head, brethren. Away in your head. What is in your head? Eh? What is in your head? Now you come insinuate and attack, say, oh, me not leak against IRV, because IRV, of course, me hear that. Me hear say IRV get up down at Westmoreland and go on stage with Golding and all them something there. Me want to call him and find out how that go. Because me not expect IRV for the on stage with Mark Golding. No, me not expect that. But that is not the point. The point is that you is anti-Rasta. You're fighting against Rasta just like the PNP and the JLP is doing and was doing for years. You don't see it? And I try put people in a position for really say what me I say, yes or no. That is what you really do. And I'm not going to take it back. I'm not going to take back what I say. I say, Asta Black, you're a devious person.
I saw Ras Asta Black this morning on TV. The man was eloquent, clear, explicit, elegant, with knowledge and wisdom. I was very proud. Very, very proud. Keep it going. They're going to learn to see your word come to pass.
Devious. When you can't take picture we do 5 years ago because some other devious PNP people want to make it look like Rasta is in associated with them. And they now come put it like say, I and I now celebrate the triumph of Mark Golding. Celebrate the triumph of Mark Golding. Oh, Mark Golding power I go help Rasta when we know say the two party them don't have Rasta in a them nothing. Them don't have nothing but Rasta and nothing. You know see it? Look how long the Holy One claims say them holiness power right to develop and the Rasta them who did suffer the atrocity in a 1963. Them right now have funds to help them. Since them said that, and since the Holy One apologized to the Rasta them, a whole heap of the Rasta them dead who was supposed to get the benefits of that. Enough of the Rasta them get dead. So what do you think about that? That una wait for the Rasta them die out and say, well, them don't need the money again, and all them way there. It's a joke business. And you, Asta Black, even though you lick against all of the houses of Rasta, every one of them, you lick against the whole of them. Well, you can't lick against me now. Yes, you can't lick against me now. Because it's the first never get up and say something against you, Asta Black. Politician Asta Black. We are trying to gain power in a Jamaica through political means and not getting nowhere with it. So you start to turn against your own. And when we say your own, now I talk about Rastafari. You start to name like Chichi. Yes, we are bite down the wood, till the building fall. And that's why you try to do. You're not going to do that. We're not going to allow you to do that. But join the JLP and go join the PNP and trick the people them. Same like how them a trick the people them. And that you have to do. Because we're not no gangster. We're not no gangster here. And we don't want no gangster round way. To come discredit everything where Rasta do and Rasta don't do. You always have fight against it because you say the Rasta them now vote for you. But them have vote for which Rasta vote? Which Rasta vote for Mark Golding? For make him come power. Eh? We're not into Mark Golding. We're not into Mark Golding. The man there don't do what them supposed to do already. And it's power, it's more power them a search for. It's more power them a search for. And this is the choice that them a give it continuously. This is the choice that them a give it. So, we just have said that for ease of certain steam off of me, because last night it depend on me. To me get up again and it depend on me. Because you carried further because you come WhatsApp me. After me you talk, you come WhatsApp me, you come put it in my email. The same madness. What a piece of audacity and imagine you're going to put big Rastaman picture with the British national anthem, England national, the England anthem, and I come talk, say, see the Rasta, I talk about them about the Queen, and them that defend the Queen, the Queen representative Mark Golding in Jamaica. Them people that defend the Queen, we not defend no Queen. Come like we not understand where we're going. As Rastafari, because it's like, as the man said, nobody will take Rasta serious again. Because really and truly, the amount of frivolousness and the way we say Rasta move right now. I mean, I feel look on it and I say, but wait, don't take them people that serious.